Yeah. They say aka 7 NDC for say almost be your money. Aka Ghana say you say be here. E dey say otumfo Nyankopon dey munyam. We are sorry prayer prophet wadawuma. Ye fa so kwa sorry. NDC abayamba e ko 2 years. Afidie ba akokora mesi so say e be ye gatambo gata. Na nsukura pem na aseye nkura nse kwan no mbeye. Asori kwan ya prophet campaign time. Omoba asori be say yebo say ready ya no moba.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Ediba Ghana Nsem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby home be from Mr. President ameje oso. O text me Mr. President or comment section ameje oso. Who see am TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje oso sa. Koye de o baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Ghana Nsem TV channel also. They are the new patriotic party amenyuko. They are power 2028 inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the power by Mbia so selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu die. Ya me ni amene amfa the Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo mi amade na sase bebe few. Na once again me catch Ghana mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyo sem nye mprint ne amanyo sem. De woye bia no woye no wadwo say inti dachi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bidi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be your hu yi. It is all your Sofo. Oye ordinary Ghanaian. Oye educationist. Oye medical doctor. Oye hwan ni once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Yeah. They say aka 7 NDC for say almost be your money. Aka Ghana say you say be here. E dey say otumfo Nyankopon dey munyam. We are sorry prayer prophet wadawuma. Ye fa so kwa sorry. NDC abayamba e ko 2 years. Afidie ba akokora mesi so say e be ye gatambo gata. Na nsukura pem na aseye nkura nse kwan no mbeye. Asori kwan ya prophet campaign time. Omoba asori be say yebo say ready ya no moba. Omeye kwan na mai e kwan ne be sinne anya trip kokora me gosu. Prophet, I say no kwan me de kaya ye anse na ya Ghana kwan bia enso hye eni bawrefi. Yes sir. Ochedi Nyankopon tu de ye adwuma no and anu rade fa wodi for Samuel so e de Saul ebedi akonya afei Saul kasai went brase wa ton form na me patrol ye just walk kwan. I was expecting the leadership of NDC odi for adawuma say akomeba abayi amene ayamana broso ye kafri MP ye kafri ministers prophet adawuma eso ye shemwa kakra be just a few of them as a bebre na wure fi enuma pa aduma
of the day no pragiano we have things inside and your pragia common pragia you
until when a pragia ambulance
when you saw the pragiano didn't you see say there are some way equipment a woman say you didn't panic to mukrana and your ordinary one say this is some ball you
my goodness
one her picture no. Didn't you see the picture? And your ordinary one.
Okay.
Many who can say there are some hospitals
from
8 years under Nanado. Equipment I had to check BP crab could pay and was our hospitals no.
Mate.
And on a raising concern say the health minister and his excellency John Dramani Mahama after equipment.
And now you can sit here and say under your 8 years telescope cry intimi anya day. Antomani so na mini madrai yentimi antobi obia provided ambulance for each constituency e twam out wani hu constituency bi wo ho one na mo region hu bi you sit on Adum FM and say for 8 years thermometer de obi akoma ye na de si na mo a na de si obi kon ha na de si na koma ye de si diti enu bi no wo kan ya na se de yen ye wo power no and I'm not kro no fa hen. Sir, Pragia, please, Abna Mama and Kasa.
Pacho, enam, wadaroma.
When the mom microphone in Tronchamo, What? Woman in Troncham, say Pragiana, but I know not Pragia, Moody free Jupiter and moon. Send you a special one woman now. I'm now to consolate a share computer. Show one catch him and say, I would this saying, do you know what a saying is? Do you know what a car is? Can you describe a car for me?
What an is we?
That's why I'm a.
That's why I'm a. That's why I'm a. I pay port and no more years. Any part 50 better it feel you.
And so I say, so I'm a. I'm for how long?
I'm be in for 3 days.
No, 250.
And then the part
I didn't quite slow.
Not necessarily slow. And out of 2, I'm gonna say 150. A pharmacy technician, something 5, and 100 a pharmacist.
Pharmacy technicians, any pharmacy.
Hey, oh, Sunyane G0d. Your friend Sunyane G0d.
What was about working? Was this success for a man invitation when you school or to uncle? J. Cassa. What's that?
J. Cassa.
Also, uncle into uncle. Now, Susek for no Sebi, or Mutimi crew make say. From Maria Wusi, Cassatan, Time San, or Mocassa, Timemu for Nanga Pedro, minimum.
I said petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh unti dem making me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no muhia ama no muhia but nanka we my no G0d no chem so moko e say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na mo kan yes but this kan ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa my no omoko fa ne ma ne ba omo tete so ana abanu kreti another environment but say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what I say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa neema we nyina ebi no aban na ye ne de ebi na say bonten so for no nya de ebi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5
yes
na so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year, and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi Agyeta, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?